Alright, this is a video of the Lionel Train set that I built. That computer is running the program. There is little human interface. The only interface there is just an on switch. Right now you're looking at the top section of the mountain with the 027 track with the little trolley that goes around. Bottom here we have our old steam engine. It's actually a K-line engine, but a Lionel steam engine's in the shop. Alright, so this is the brains. That is the old PLC3 by Alan Briley. This is 1980s technology. Used to salvage it. Took me a while to program it and to build everything you see here. It's only a 4-card rack. It's got 2 AC cards, 2 DC cards. 2 inputs, 2 outputs. We have our 2 Lionel controllers, transformers that are powering both the tracks and the PLC as well too. The red switch that you see on the left over there, that is the master switch. So at any time it could be stopped, and I don't have to worry about anything. Great for kids. Alright, so let's look at the programming. Alright, so this is an old Alan Briley industrial terminal that, again, I got working. I have lines and lines of code. Pretty simple, but gets a little complex. Not that hard. You got some time delays on there. Got some counters, and just goes on. I originally was supposed to have a it's on the fritz again, but I was supposed to have this little log toy here work, so the train gets to a certain point and then actually is taken over, but I ran out of memory space. So we have several programs running right now. As you just heard, the train actually just goes around for a little bit. And then the whistle automatically just turns on. Unfortunately, the side effect of the whistle is the train speeds up. That's a K-line issue. The other cool thing is that we got going is the trolley as it goes around. Now we have the gates that are programmed by the PLC. There is only 4 inputs. As the trolley goes around, it activates the switches and will tell the gates to go down and stay down. So I had to program that because the gates were flicking. There's also a little program that after a while the trolley stops at the station over there, and I think it's going to go on this revolution. Let the passengers on and out, which I think is really cool. Let's see here. Is this it? Yep. So, trolley's at the station. The computer knows that it's at the station. Stops it. Waiting for passengers to get on and off, and then it starts again. Pretty cool. Alright. Let's look underneath the table here, and you can see what I did. Let me turn off the program. Just like that, just one little simple switch, and it's off. So we have a little tunnel over here. Let's try to get a light in here so you can see it. See how good is this? It's halfway decent. As you can see, all the wiring that it was done. This is not perfect, but it's pretty decent. So I had to run the pipe down there, and those are all connected. And I actually have some fuse boxes in the other box over there. But yeah, that's all 120 volts. But
don't worry. I mean, all these wires are have been coated, and there is no excess current that's going through them, so we don't have to worry about any fire hazards.
But yeah, so I could program more things into the computer, the PLC, but pretty like I said, we're at our limit with how much I can end up doing. The trolley wanted to be able to go back and forth, but again, that's has too much of a program memory to take up with this the older units. But real quick, the little junction box that has all the fuses that I need, and I got some extra fuses in those little bags over there just in case. Never had a problem with them. I think max is 5 amps that are going through the AC lines, and I think I got 2.5 amps for the DC lines. Alright, so that is it, and that is my little project. It is still ongoing. I still need to do some paint, but yeah, alright.